Holy smoke. Look at the egg. Thanks for joining us again. What we have here is the long awaited weightlifting competition pretty much. We've got the drones, we've got the baby Tello who weighs 80 grams. We've got the Mavic Mini. We know that's coming in at 250 because of the weight restrictions, and it's a 249, yeah. And we've got the Mavic Pro Platinum, the big beast. Now, I don't actually know how much this one weighs, so let's just drop that on the scales for you quick now. Might have to do it on its roof. 758. So that's coming in at 758 grams. So who can lift the most? I think we know that's going to be the big baby. I'm really interested to find out how much weight can the Tello lift. What we're going to do, this video is going to be in 3 parts. We're going to do the first part is going to be the Tello lifting an array of bits and pieces, and then we'll do the Mavic Mini, and then we'll have the video on the Pro Platinum. So yeah, look out for these 3. The first one's going to be on my channel. The second video will be on Mason Cayman's channel, and then we'll put this one back on my channel. So yeah, enjoy these 3. It's a good collaboration, this one. So let's crack on and see how much...
let's crack on.
Let's crack on with the egg. The Tello weightlifter. Now, this is the Super Tello. Weighs 80 grams. It's such a long little drone. It's beautiful. But power to weight ratio. How much weight can one of these little drones lift? Now, we've got a few
excellent props.
We have. We've got
an egg.
We've got, yeah. Can it lift a Matchbox truck? Can it lift a tank?
I mean, that's it.
Can it lift a tank? Can it lift a tank? I don't know. Can a Tello lift a tank? That is something else. Can it lift a Jeep?
And then pretty much another tank.
And yeah, the Plymouth. And now the reason I've said this is because, we have got Buzz. We've got the scales. These are slightly varying in weight, not by a lot. Now, the heaviest is obviously Buzz. He's pretty big. He comes in at about 80 grams. We'll weigh him for sure in a minute though. The egg, he's coming in at around about 60. So this is 60 grams an egg. Now, like we said, this little Tello is only 80. So, what do you reckon? We haven't tried this.
I don't have a clue.
First thing we've got to do is actually attach something to the Tello to get it to obviously hoist. So let's just crack on and do that quick. So we've got the amazing little Tello, and we need to figure out a way of attaching some string line to it so we can do this weightlifting test. Let's just check these weights out then. A completely bare Tello comes in exactly 80 grams. So what we're thinking here, we need to have the center point, if that's where we've got to connect to. So I think if I can get something between the legs and pull it in the middle. Let's have a look. Let's get some of this this crab wire. Not such a good idea. Really difficult to tie. Need something else. Let's have a look. What I've got is just some bit of twisty wire here. This is a single core, so it's quite stiff. Just feed it through the legs. Got to try and avoid those the height sensors underneath. I've got to keep those clear, otherwise it'll just affect it and make it fly really strange. But they've got like a little shape there, and then create a long bit to hang a little hook off. I just make a little hook out, a bit of twisty wire there, and try and attach it on somehow. Twisty, 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 and away we go. So here we go. We've got Tello with his hook on the end. How's that going to sit on the floor? That's pretty good. It's not. Hopefully this won't tangle before it takes off and lifts up, and yeah, I think we're away. There's modified Tello with his hoist system on it. Comes in at 84 grams. So we've got 4 grams of hoisting harness. Okay, so that's the start. Let's go for it. Let's see what we can do. Quick.
In true Blue Peter fashion.
No, I've done it already. No, I've done it. I showed you. I've done that already. So
that's why he was doing it.
I'll put it down there. Oh, let's put it.
No, we could have done.
Let's do it again then. Let's do it again then.
True Blue Peter.
Come on then, put it down there then. Put it down there then.
You've been showing you how to make it in the video.
You made the whole. You're actually going to add the video, just going like put a wire out.
Yeah. Yeah, yes, I've done that already.
Oh.
Right then, so here we...
All right, carry
I
on.
can't remember where we were.
True blue.
So yeah, do you say that again?
You
Did
went
you do
no, 'cause
that?
you finished anyway,
Oh,
because
crap,
that's why I said it.
aircraft is
Yeah,
bobbing up
right,
here.
so yeah, what do I have to put up with?
In true Blue Peter fashion.
This is, well, this is our concoction of a hook and a cable, which comes in at 4 grams. So this piece of wire with the hook on it comes in at 4. So we're up to 84 already. But we're not bothered about that, are we? This is like an ant, I reckon. I think this is like the ant. It's so strong for its size.
I honestly don't have a clue where this is going to go, to be honest.
The Plymouth comes in at 40 grams. The Jeep, 31. So that's the lightest so far. The tank, 48. What was that one? 40. So he's going there. And then the truck, 47. Ooh.
There you go.
And the egg. What do you reckon? An egg? Can it pick an egg up? That'd be pretty damn amazing if it can pick an egg up.
Oh.
With the elastic band, obviously, to try and hold the egg. Let's get the, which that comes in at 1 gram, and then so that's 63 grams.
And then what's Buzz?
Which is pretty heavy, and Buzz comes in at 72.
Bless him. He's been stuffing himself in lockdown. He's put a bit of.
We've got
Battery
another
gone.
Tello here as well. If I just whip the battery out of the Tello, and how much does a Tello weigh without a battery? Oh, that's nice. That's nice in the middle. 53 grams.
Okay.
So we can pop that one in the middle there. Shall we get on? Shall we? Let's try and lift something.
Let's go. What are we going with first then?
Well, we've got to go with the Jeep, ain't we? Can it pick a Jeep up? Can the Tello lift a Jeep? What do you reckon? Is it here? You can't hook it up. We've got to take off to get this working. We've got to take the Tello off, because when you lift the Tello, you can't just take it off nice and slowly. It goes up, vroom, and then comes back down again. So we'll let it take off, then we'll bring it back in and hook up whatever we're going to try and lift. Here we go.
Oh my word.
Whoa, who's flying that? Got some dodgy pilot here.
Dodgy.
Come on then, bring it back in, bring it back, bring it back.
Bring it back to me.
Come on, table's here.
What are you doing?
You're trying?
Eamon's an absolute
Oh
novice.
my word. Come on, bring it down, bring it down. That's it, just there, dude. Can you get lower? Right, here we go. So this is for the Jeep. Oh, look at that.
There you go.
It's holding that Jeep good and firm.
Am I going upwards?
Now, just prop it down on the table now. Bring it down.
I don't think the wind's helping.
Come on, get it on the table. You've missed. Oh, no,
I'm
get it
not
on the
even
table.
touching it.
Hey, down. Come on, down. Oh, tell you what.
I'm not even touching it.
Oh,
Away.
yeah, useless. All right, okay.
Touching it.
So the Jeep.
Yeah. So the Jeep is a yes. So that was, what was that one? Forgot already. Oh, let's get that back in again.
43, wasn't it?
That's
31.
30 grams, 31. So yeah, it's just done the 31s. Right, here we go then. So this is for the Plymouth at 39. Come on, drop it down. Let's get it down here. Can you lift it off the, can we lift it off the, that's it. You're on. Lift. Oh no, it's going to fall.
I'm not even touching it.
Go up then. Oh,
Oh, you've got the Plymouth.
look at that. Flipping heck. Let's get the truck on. Can it lift it? Oh my word.
Wow.
Holy smoke.
Oh, it's just making mincemeat of it, isn't it?
Okay, let's drop that out. Let's drop that out. Whoa. She's wild. She's wild.
Oh, what's your head?
Flipping heck. Right, and the tank. Can the Tello lift the tank?
What are you doing?
How's the battery doing? How's the battery?
It's halfway.
Right, okay, still got half power then. I can hook. Jesus, I like my eyes. I do like my eyes. Go forward a bit.
I'm trying. It's going
I like my eyes. Going over here, look.
I'm not touching it.
Yeah, well, drive it then, you great numpty. You've got to fly it.
Julia, what are you doing? Flipping heck.
We've got a dodgy pilot here.
Alright, dodgy pilot.
I can smell burning. Can you smell burning?
Smells something.
Is she getting a bit hot or what? I don't know. The propeller should keep it cool. It should be alright.
It is what's it anyway.
To be fair, this is heavy. 48 grams. That's got some weight to it, that has. Well, what was that one?
48.
Oh, that's 46, that is. That's 46.
Or more.
Yeah, 48. This
How
is...
you gonna hook that then?
Oh, easy peasy. 48 grams, no sweat. Okay, let's get that off there. 48. 48 grams.
Okay.
Right, so the next one is the egg, is it? No, Tello. Can a Tello lift a Tello? No, Tello's next. Can a Tello lift a Tello?
This is the Tello without the battery.
Oh my word. That is...
How much did that weigh?
Oh, it's coming down. Can it go up? Can you get it up?
It's,
Yeah, she's got...
I'm pressing the up button.
Yeah.
It's going down.
Hang on. I think the battery's just running off peak a bit. I think we need a fresh battery in there to do this next bit of testing.
You're gonna let the bloody edges. What are you doing?
What's the battery power like?
That's red.
Okay, drop it down. Land it then. Let's land it. Let's get a new battery in there.
I don't know if he's going to struggle landing with that thing on the bottom.
Right, okay. That's sorted that out. Whack another battery in here.
Is it meant to spark?
Yeah, just don't say that. I thought we were blowing it up for a minute. Right, and what's the... are you connected again now? You'll have to reconnect your Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll tie that around that first.
Oh yeah, let's get...
straight into that.
Well, let's get the egg loaded up. Let's get the...
How are you doing this?
Get the laggy band on the egg. I was going to go double. And again, just gently though. Gently.
Yeah, I'm on.
Now, if the Tello lifts an egg, that could be quite interesting. You could have some right fun with that. who do you want to drop an egg on? Let's get it in the air again.
Oh, there you go.
You're not very good at this, yeah.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
I'm struggling to see.
Oh my.
Oh, what's a tree? Go forward. Oh, come on then, down you come.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm not... It says tactical error on my screen.
I'll do it, yeah.
Right, okay. Okay. Do an egg. This is heavy, so... Holy smoke. Look at the egg. Bring it down a bit too high. Bring it down. Oh, what about that? What about that? Flipping egg. It just took the egg straight up.
It took it up and was just going to go.
So, yeah, it's got the egg. The egg's good. Jesus, so we took
everything so far.
that was
60.
63 grams?
Yeah. Well, next up,
64 grams that is now.
that leaves, I mean, Buzz, bless him, he's
heavy.
He's struggling with life.
Buzzy's
Bonnie's not quite as good as what Andy was, so bless him.
how much weight we got? So this is this is a big step up though, because that's 63 to 73. That's
10 grams.
10 grams is, I think it. But then again, it just like that just went flying straight up with that.
It took a second or so, and then it just went, didn't it?
So, how's the battery power doing?
Yeah, sound. Well, it's literally used about a quarter of a battery.
Do we go for a full brand new battery, or are we just going to go for it? Come on, let's do it. Let's go for it. Let's get it in the air. What do you think? Is it going to do it?
I'm sceptical. I think he's going to... I'm not sure.
Oh, hold on, don't do that.
Okay, you're on. Let's do it!
To infinity.
Go on! Ah! Oh dear. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my God.
It wouldn't let me touch it. It come up saying water.
That was
tilt.
proper out of control, wasn't it? That was. I think we found it.
I think it's because he fell over.
I think we found its limit.
It's because he fell over.
I don't think it. I think we've found his limit. It's just too much for it to.
I don't know. It still lifted it.
It did lift it, but it's like that. As soon as it goes out of shape, it can't bring itself back in. Because that's heavy. That is. You know, like 71 for this little thing. You know, that's almost twice its weight, isn't it? It's 9 grams off its own body weight.
I'm pretty impressed that it can take a Tello. I'm obviously without the battery, but that's still impressive.
That was well, it was that with that. It's 73 grams.
It still lifted that.
It did lift it. It's howling though, isn't it?
Coupled with the wind and the fact that
it's absolutely howling.
that was gone.
So
That only at the camera, that did.
I think that's a win for the Tello. He's we'll work the calculations out and we'll find out what the actual percentage, the power to weight kind of ratio is from this to what it can lift, and then we'll compare it to the Mavic Mini and we'll compare it to the Mavic Pro. So yeah, if you've enjoyed that little weightlifting video there,
And if you've enjoyed my great piloting,
yes. Make sure you tune into the next video, which will be the Mavic Mini doing a weight lift on Mason and Cayman's channel. I'll put the links in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, and drop us a comment if you've enjoyed it, like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one. For watching viewers, if you've enjoyed this one, click here to subscribe.
Click over here for the Mavic Pro Platinum weightlifting test.
and click here for the Mavic Mini weightlifting test.
Woo! Oh, woo!